Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a special episode. Today we have a 15-minute jump rope challenge. This is going to be composed of a variation of 4 different exercises which we will repeat for a length of 15 minutes. We're going to jump rope with our imaginary jump rope and let's go ahead and get started. If you're ready to learn something new, smash that thumbs up button and let's go ahead and get right into it. For the first exercise of this challenge, we're going to do a alternating single skip. So we will be focusing on going left and right for the first 60 seconds of our challenge. Let's go ahead and begin. We're getting warmed up here, moving nice and light on our toes, alternating left and right, and we're moving those hands. Jumping with our imaginary jump rope. Keeping our head and our chest up, we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on taking this at your own pace. This is just the warm-up. Moving nice and light on those feet, and we're breathing. We have a couple of seconds left in this move, about 20 seconds. We're gonna be switching it in to a both feet jump, or 2 feet skipping at once. I'll show you. We're down to our last 10 seconds. There's going to be no rest here. We're moving on to our next alternation of skips. For this next one, we're going to go ahead and start jumping on both feet now. Both feet are involved. We're not alternating, we're doing it with both feet now. Same theory for our head and our chest. We keep it up. So we focus on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Landing nice and light on our feet with our knees bent to help absorb that shock. We keep those arms moving with our imaginary jump rope. We have about 15 seconds left here. We're going to be taking it to an alternating double skip on each side. I'll show you here. We're getting ready to switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're going right, right, left, left. Getting right into it. Breathing into our nose and out through our mouth. This time doing a double skip on each leg. You're doing great. Let's go ahead and bring up the speed if we're feeling a little warm. Our body should be getting nice and warmed up by now. We have about 25 seconds left here. And we're going to be switching our skip pattern to high knees. Right now we're still right, right, left, left. Moving those arms with coordination with our skip. Last couple of seconds here, and we're going into high knees. For this, we're alternating, bringing those knees up nice and high, focusing on your breath. We're getting those knees up, getting our heart rate up, and making it more challenging. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to be taking it back to an alternating single skip on each side. Keep focusing on getting those knees up nice and high. We have 10 seconds left. Here we go. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We have an alternating left and right. Nice and light on each foot. Slight bend at the knees to help absorb that shock. We're going to repeat the last 4 series of skips. Keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have about 20 seconds left before we go into a both feet jumping. Here we go, we're getting ready to switch in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Both feet. Getting right into it. Finding our flow here in order to keep going and not stop. Again, take this at your own pace. This should be nice and challenging. Bringing our heart rate up. And we're breathing. Slight bend at the knees, help absorb that shock. Land nice and light on your feet. We have 20 seconds left. Going into an alternating double skip next. You got this, my friends. Last 3 seconds. Here we go. Right, right, left, left. Keep those hands moving. Keep your imaginary jump rope going. Focus on your breath. Keep your head and your chest up. Here we go. Last 30 seconds of this move. And we're going into high knees next. Move with coordination. We'll speed this up. Make sure we're protecting our knees, landing nice and light. Here we go. Getting ready to switch to high knees. Here we go. Nice high knee. Bringing up the pace. You got this, my friends. We're more than halfway through this. Keep it up. High knees here. Keeping those arms moving. Last 20 seconds of high knees. Going into an alternating single skip next. 10 seconds. Here we go. Going into an alternating single skip. Moving nice and light here. We have 40 seconds left of this move. We're doing an alternating skip from left to right. We have 30 seconds left here. Focus on your breathing. We're doing very good. Keep on going, you got this. We have 10 seconds left. 5 seconds. And we go into a both feet jump. Here we go. Right, right, left, left. Right into it we go. With a double skip on each side. Keeping those arms flowing. Those wrists moving. We got it right, and left, left. This is the moment where you can focus on your breath. Get your heart rate back down a little bit before we send it right back up with our high knees. Make sure to take this nice and slow. Take it light on your knees. We have 7 seconds left of this. And we're going into high knees next. Here we go. Here we go, high knees. Moving with more speed. Alternating left and right, getting those knees up. We have 30 seconds left of our high knees. We'll be taking it into some alternating single skips next. We got this, guys. 20 more seconds here. High knees. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Here we go. Alternating single skips. Moving nice and light here. Find your breath. Keep on moving those feet. Keep on moving those hands. Head into the cool down round. Let's slow it down. Move with control here. As we slowly bring our heart rate back down. We continue to move and breathe. We have 15 seconds left here. And we're going to bring both feet into a jump. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Moving nice and light. On both feet. This is the last 60 seconds. Let's finish off with control. Keeping our head and our chest up. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Last 20 seconds. 15. You got this. Slowing it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job, my friends. That concludes this jump rope challenge. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional routines Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.